What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I got another tutorial for y'all today on that piece of crap right there. That's 2013 Toyota Corolla. Yeah, 2013 Toyota Corolla. Today we're gonna be doing the AC compressor on it. So the first thing we're gonna do, obviously, with the AC compressor is you want to drain the Freon that's in here. Boom, boom. You have an AC machine, that's perfect. I got my little AC machine right here. Draining oil. This fan's too loud. Turn you that way. So using a machine is the best thing to do, because if you just open up the gauges and let it fly out, it's not good for our ozone layer, you know, up in the sky. So it's good to use an AC machine, suck all the Freon out, suck all the pressure out of the hoses. I'm already pretty much done. It's at like -30 right now. Can't get no more depressurized than that. So, but my machine goes for like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna let this vacuum out. And then once it gets done, I'll be seeing you guys for the next step. All right, so our vacuum is done. 0 pressure, -30 pressure, and then 0 on the hot side. I pulled out like a pound of Freon out of here. And when you use a machine and you pull the Freon out, it's a lot better, because now I can take this Freon and just reuse it instead of letting it go into thin air and then wasting more of my Freon. Feel me? You got to. All right, so we're gonna disconnect our hoses real quick. Outside, low side. And the AC compressor's on the bottom, so we're gonna. What's up, Angel? The AC compressor's on the bottom, so we're gonna lift the car up. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, obviously, actually, probably don't need to, but just to make my room, I'm gonna take the tire off. Alright, got my 19. You know, I should get sponsored by Snap-on, because all I use in my videos is their tools. Snap-on, you need to think about that. You really should. Alright, tire off. Put my flashlight at. Now I gotta get this cover off. Move y'all over here so y'all can see me. Pull the camera up a little bit. You feel me? Get in there. Right there. So we gotta get this cover off now. This cover has two 10 millimeter bolts, and then some push pops. Look at this. What did I say right there? Snap on. Come on, Snap on. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. And to get the push pops out, you should use a tool like this. Don't use a screwdriver. You just destroy the push pop. This is a lot easier to help you use it. Pry that hole out of there. All right. Now what we got to do is take the belt off. And oh my gosh, come on. This is a stretch belt. I don't want to do this. Anyways, yeah. So a stretch belt, you gotta just get a pry bar or something. You gotta pry this out, pry the belt off. There's a tool for this, but I don't think I have it, so I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. So let me get this belt off real quick, and then we can finish this video. All right, so now I'm gonna zoom in. I got the stupid stretch belt off. Boom. Took me like 10 minutes. So now we have the compressor. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and we got 2 10s for the AC lines. 1 10, 2 10s, and there should be 2 plugs. This one plug right here, and then that one plug right there. I'm gonna just sit you guys down and let y'all watch me do it. But I just want to show y'all what to do first, because you might not be able to see that good when I start this. Get it out, and then the compressor should just come right out. Boom. Look how easy that was. Too easy, baby. Too easy. Okay. There's our old compressor. Zoom on that. Just look at that for a second. Here's our new compressor. And damn, that's a first for me. So the new compressor came with everything I needed. I don't have to swap this plug over. You don't only have to swap the plug over. This is actually an adapter that's on here. You don't only have to swap that over, but everything came the way it should come. Now the one thing that I do recommend with new compressors is, I don't care what they tell you, I always dump whatever out in here. I dump it out and I put my own pad 46 in there. So that's what I'm gonna go do real quick. I'm gonna empty this out. I'm gonna put my own pad 46 in there, and then we'll be back when I get done doing all that. Alright. Alright. You learned that! Alright, so I was having an issue with putting oil inside of this compressor. So I just pretty much said, beep it! I'll do it with my machine, but it's not taking oil, so I don't know what that's about, but whatevs. Anyways, back to putting this back together. I'm not really going to explain much putting it back together because I already explained everything taking it off. It's the same thing, just reverse process. So hopefully, you know, my subscribers are smart enough to see that. And you know, yeah, because I believe in you guys. All you guys are smart. Smarter than a lot of people that I know. Besides my haters, I be seeing them hate comments because I work on cars better than them. That should be funny. People like, oh, you didn't torque it down. Torque it down? You talking about an AC compressor? How to torque that damn AC compressor down? It's not putting an engine block back together. What's up with y'all with that? Alright, there it goes. AC compressor back in. Too easy. Too easy peasy lemon goddamn squeezy. Alright, so I'll let y'all see that part. Now I gotta put the stretch belt back on. I'm not gonna let y'all watch me do that because the camera's gonna be in the way. So when I put the stretch belt back on and I get everything situated, I'll show you guys what we're doing next. Alright y'all, so I got the stretch belt on finally. It was a pain in my ass. Nah, it was a pain in my eyes, but I got it. You know, I always get it. Alright, so now we're gonna let the car back down. Boop. And we're gonna charge it up and see if that fixed my issues. Alright. I did it first. Outside. Alright, so I'm gonna vacuum the system first. Vacuum it all out again. So whenever you open up the system, you're supposed to vacuum it to make sure there's no air in there. So vacuum it out, let that sit for about 10 minutes. Freeze on a bit, Alright. Oh, now we're gonna charge it. Vacuum is done. This takes about 1.3 pounds. We're down to 1.29. We're going to hit start. start it up. Let's turn the AC on full blast. Put it on face, and yeah. That thing blowing. Like ice shit. Ice cold out that vent. Talking about. Alright y'all, so dirty on my face. Alright y'all, so job is completed. AC works perfectly fine. I actually did a front brake and rotor job on this car too. When I had y'all pause for a while, I had the brakes too. But yeah, AC done. It blew ice cold. Everything back together like it did when I first touched it. That's how you know you're a good mechanic, when the car look like it did when you first got it. Let me show you how ugly this car is real quick though. I'm gonna pick on one of my customers. What is this? This bill looks so rice. Who puts a hood scoop on a freaking Toyota Corolla? I ain't gonna do it like that. But anyways, yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching. That's how you do an AC compressor on a 2013 Toyota Corolla. I'll see y'all on the next one.